Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make grits. It's a southern dish. Grits is a starch, and it looks white, or kind of reminds you of cream of wheat in terms of looks, but not taste. The taste is a great tastes like a wheat or grain, that kind of texture. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to make the grits, and then you can follow me over in the next video, and I'm going to fry some fish, and we're going to have fish and grits. Now that's a southern dish right there. Okay. Alright, so let's get started. I already have 2 cups of water boiling on the stove with salt. Okay. In addition to that, I have a tablespoon of smart margarine. So we're going to get started from that point. Alright? Okay, so here's our 2 cups of water already boiling on the stove. I think I want to transfer it over to this eye so that you can see me a little better. Okay, and let me adjust that. Oh great, you see it perfectly. Okay, I'm going to turn the fire on. I'll cut that one off over there. Okay, so we're back in business over here. So this is my smart margarine that I put 1 tablespoon worth in. I used some kosher salt. Salt is up to you how much or little. Okay. And 2 cups of water. 2 of these. Okay. 2 cups of water. Alright. So now that we got that all set, now that our water is boiling, I have a whisk and I have a half a cup of grits. Okay, so we're going to start with that half a cup. So you're going to pour the grits in, stirring it constantly. Okay, we're probably going to need another 4th cup of grits, but I like to let mine get started first to see how thick it's going to get before I start adding more. And one thing I want to tell you about grits is it will pop on you and burn you, so you don't want that. So always keep a lid on it. Okay, that's how I control that. Okay, so we're going to let that cook for about maybe I'd say 2 minutes, and then we're going to see if we need to add some more grits. Okay, probably we'll have to. But let me take it baby steps, 1 step at a time, okay? Alright, so we're going to give it 2 minutes. Thank you. Okay, so let's take a look. You see it's popping? So what I do to control the popping, cut the fire off until I check this out. I'm going to mix it. Okay, we're not going to need any more grits. It's getting pretty thick. You want the consistency of mashed potatoes. So I'm going to get a spoon and show you how loose it is right now. See that? Well, we want that to be a little more thicker so it doesn't run off as fast. Okay? Alright. So what I'm going to do is turn the fire back on. Put the top on first, by all means, put the top on first. And then I'm going to turn my fire down to number 2. I have a gas stove, so number 2 or 3 would be good at a lower flame. Okay, and we're going to let that cook for about another 3 minutes, and it'll get thicker, and I think we should be all done at that point. Okay. So let's recap. We had 2 cups of water and a half a cup of grits, salt to your taste, and a tablespoon of smart margarine. Okay. At the end, the only other thing we're going to add is another tablespoon of smart margarine because it's a starch. So when starch gets, starch binds. So we don't want it to bind to the point where it's so stiff or sticking together. We want it a little loose, but not water loose. Loose with lubricant with the margarine. Alright, we'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, why don't I give you the word of the day? I'm going to put the grits on low while I'm talking to you, okay? Alright, the word of the day is, if you're the type that you get mad at any little thing, you know, somebody saying, the wrong person saying hi to you could set you off. Or if you feel like the person is not talking to you the way you feel you need to be talked to, it sets you off. Anything can just set you off. Well, you know what? You might want to calm down, because life is going to be here. People are not going to change, and so you have to change you. And don't look at everything so seriously that it makes you mad, okay? Because it is what it is in this world. And what you need to do is make sure that you look at things in an objective way. Say, oh, okay, that's that person. Calm, just like that. And that will keep you calm, okay? So try that. Don't get angry so fast and so easily over things that are probably not worth you getting mad over. Okay? Alright, that's the word of the day. Okay, if you like that word of the day, give a thumbs up. If you like the grits, give it a thumbs up. I know a lot of people don't know how to cook grits. What really bothers them is when the grits pop up, you know, and you can get burnt. One burn will stop you from cooking them, believe me. So that's why I operate with the top on the grits at all times, okay? Alright, so we're going to check on the grits now, and then I'm going to plate them up and let you take a look, okay? We'll be right back. Okay, so let me cut the fire off. I think we're done. Let's take a look. Yeah, they're nice and thick. You see that? See that? You see how it's still sticking onto the spoon? That's what you want. Like mashed potatoes, okay? Alright, so let me put some on a plate. Now that you got the word of the day, for those who out there who get angry fast, stay calm. Just stay calm. You can do it. All you have to do is tell yourself, okay, I'm going to be calm right now because I'm not going to let this upset me. And then that will make it happen, okay? Okay, so this is the grits. What you do is you always put a little butter or margarine right in the center of it like this. And this is how it's served. Okay? How about that, huh? Now let me see if I can get in the picture. There we go. Grits. How about that, huh? Okay, so now let me take a taste. They are hot. So you mix the butter up, or the margarine up, into the grits like this. Okay, and now I'm gonna have to blow this a few minutes, because they are hot and they will burn your mouth. I'm putting the plate down that got hot. Just like I remembered as a child. Okay. Alright. Stay tuned to my next video. I'm going to fry some fish, and then we're going to have grits and fish. Okay? Alright. We'll be right back for the next video. Bye-bye.